In a vast, silent forest, a herd of sheep was moving through a narrow valley. Suddenly, a pack of wolves blocked their path. The sheep froze, trembling in fear. But instead of attacking, the wolf leader smiled and said softly, "Relax, we are not here to hunt today. We just want to play a game. At sunset, the one who stands at the very back will be ours." The wolves stepped aside and waited. The sheep stood still until a terrifying thought spread like wildfire. "I just need to not be last." The calm walk instantly turned into chaos. "Move. Let me ahead. I won't be the one who dies." Fear took over, forcing self-preservation at any cost. They weren't running from wolves anymore. They were running from each other. They started pushing, tripping the weak, and calculating who to sacrifice. The wolves just watched. They didn't need to move because their trap wasn't physical. It was psychological. Hours passed, and the sun began to set. The sheep were exhausted and broken, but their minds remained trapped. One old sheep cried out, "Stop! We are killing ourselves." But fear had made them deaf. Finally, the sun touched the horizon. The wolves stepped forward. They didn't need to chase anyone, because the herd had already destroyed itself through division and panic. In its final breath, a fallen sheep realized the brutal truth. The wolves didn't defeat us. We defeated ourselves. Sometimes, the enemy doesn't attack you directly. They just plant one toxic idea in your mind. You are not safe unless you are ahead of others. This is the theater effect, where fear creates chaos, and chaos destroys unity.